Alright, so we just got off work and we are at good old Walmart. We're gonna try and find the speakers from Rob Dom's video to change out in Cameron's Volkswagen, his Passat. So hopefully we find those and then we're able to put them in today. So yeah, that's about it. We'll get back to you either when we have them or are putting them in. So yeah. Okay, so what'd you do? Alright. So we got the speakers out. They're riveted in, right? So there's a video on how to get these damn things out. He doesn't tell you the size. Okay, so we're gonna tell you the size of these bits. So if anyone out there is going, it's gonna be, let's see if it'll focus. It's not going right there. 13/64. So that's the drill bit we use on there to drill out the rivets. These are the speakers we got because Rob Dom's speakers were how much? Like fucking 35 bucks?
Fucking 40.
40 bucks. Not even 20 bucks. So that motherfucker's a liar. So yeah. They were 40 bucks, so we just got the cheaper ones. So whatever. But I'm gonna get up on drilling out this side, or not drilling out, my bad. Wiring this side, and he's gonna drill out the other side. So yeah. Okay, so we have all the speakers in. He's putting that door panel in right now, but they are all in, wired up. Old ones are out. We just found out that these rear ones right here, both of them didn't even work before. We tried them, wired them up, and they work now. So it's gonna be a crazy difference. Here's the box right here. I don't know about other car speakers, but these ones are actually pretty nice. Surprisingly, he's not using the stock head unit. He's using a Boss 2-din head unit. If you can see that, but they sound a lot better than the stock ones. So yeah, they're pretty. It's a pretty simple install. The most difficult part is that bit, drilling out the rivets, but other than that, I mean, it was really simple. So yeah, we're just gonna go for a ride and listen to some music. So this will probably be the end of the day, because I gotta go work in the morning, but that'll be it. So yep, she's all finished up. I don't know why I'm showing the outside of the car, because we literally just did the speakers, that's it. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty mint.